Hey there, Facebook enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to unlock the exciting world of personalized and suggested popular events on Facebook. If you're looking for events tailored to your interests and want to discover the hottest happenings, you're in for a treat. Get ready for a full guide on how to view personalized and suggested popular events on Facebook. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already, let's download the Facebook app. Head over to the Play Store, type Facebook in the search bar, and look for the white F with a white background. Tap on it, then hit the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your account. Great! Now that you're logged in, let's move on to step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. From the shortcut menu, tap on Events. Here comes the exciting part. Inside the Events section, tap on For You. This is where Facebook's algorithms work their magic to curate events based on your interests, location, and past activity. Now, scroll up and down to view a wide variety of personalized and suggested popular events. From concerts to art exhibitions, you'll find events that align with your preferences. And to keep up with similar occasions, simply tap on the star icon to save the event. And there you have it, folks. A full guide on how to view personalized and suggested popular events on Facebook. Now you can discover events that truly resonate with you and never miss out on the hottest happenings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring personalized and suggested popular events on Facebook.